Good morning to you. This is this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about ClassroomScreen. ClassroomScreen is not a new tool, but it's a very handy one for classroom management. It also has templates to allow you to do things like brain breaks, games, language arts, back to school activities, lots of different choices inside of here. It does have a paid component, but it also has enough of a free component that I think you'll be happy. So let's take a look at it. So I'm not going to click login because I don't have an account. I'm just going to try for free. Once it finishes loading, I have this nice randomized background. If I don't like it, I can always click on it and choose something else, or I can even upload my own. One thing that I really like about this is that whatever I pick, and it could be a screenshot of some text from your textbook, I also not only can overlay all the tools on top, but I also have kind of a whiteboard because I could turn on the ability to annotate, circle, and mark up the image behind. Let me go back to our tools. In addition to the background, there's a poll feature where you can add in multiple choice, smiley face, or true/false polls. You can add in a randomizer that allows you to randomly choose students. You'll just need to copy and paste their names. I have names already picked from random, not real kids. And I'm going to paste them in there like so. Hit continue. And now it's ready to go. All I have to do is click on this one. It just picked up one of my students. I click it again. It'll pick another. Now the great thing about this is when I click over here, notice it's keeping a list of all the ones it's chosen, so it's not going to choose them again. So it's not going to keep repeatedly accidentally picking the same one over and over again. It's removing them the same way you would the little popsicle sticks with their names on it. Or I can clear the list and start over. All right, so image, I can bring an image into here. I can bring in text. So if I want to put a website I want them to go to and want them to type it themselves, I can do that. I have work symbols to let them know what kind of work they should be doing right now. Everything from silence to whisper, ask a neighbor, and work together. There is a traffic light. I can tell them what it's time to work quietly or it's time to stop and focus. There is a timer feature. Over here in the more, I have a visual timer. So that's two ways to have a timer. There's of course a clock. There is group makers, dice, stickers, scoreboards. One I like a great deal over here called video. So if you were using a YouTube video and you don't want to have all of the extra things that are around it, like when you go to this YouTube video, here are all the extra things and possible ads that pop up. Come down here, hit the share button. Once I've clicked the share button and it can get the address, let me copy that, come back to my classroom screen, paste that in, and play video. Now I have just the video ready to play in my screen without all the distractions.
This is a great time to find out how airplanes fly.
I still have full control over how much I play, when I play and pause. A lot of great tools to help manage and make the best of your classroom day. Hope this helps. Reach out to an instructional technology specialist for more help, or reach out to all of us through instructionaltechnology@cmcss.net.